Brush on a thin, even layer of bonder to all 5 nails, sealing the edge after the application. Cure for 10 seconds in the CND LED lamp using preset button 1. Float a thin layer of shaper to 1 nail at a time and onto the form to create the free edge with the desired length and shape. Avoid getting product on the skin and leave a tiny free margin around the perimeter. Flash cure for 2 to 3 pulses on button 1 until it is set enough to remove the form. Then carefully remove the form. Apply shaper to all 5 nails and cure in the CND LED for 1 minute using preset button 2B. Do not remove the top film. Float a second layer of shaper gel to the nail for apex and desired shape. Apply to all 5 nails and cure for 1 minute using preset button 2B. Cleanse with 99% IPA. Refine the nail shape using a 180 grit file. Or utilize a medium grit diamond bit for e-file at half speed. Cleanse with 99% IPA. Apply a layer of protector top coat to all 5 nails. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 3. Lightly wipe to remove top film with 99% IPA. Apply 2 layers of Vinylux color and let dry. Apply 1 layer of Vinylux top coat. If using CND shellac, skip the protector top coat and shellac base coat and apply 2 layers of shellac color, curing in between each. Apply a layer of shellac top coat. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 3. Lightly wipe to remove top film with 99% IPA. Add a drop of solar oil to the nail.